We first scanned one side of this exhaust pipe and removed the background, and then chose the add scan function and scanned the other side, turned it over and scanned the other side, removed the background. And so we have scan 1 and scan 2, and also a scan 3 in fact. And we're going to choose merge scan and merge scan 1 and scan 2 automatically. It does its best fit, and if you are happy with that best fit, you can simply choose merge, and it produces a fourth scan, which is the merged scans. So in this video, we're going to merge two parts manually by surface. So click surface, choose your two scans, choose keep original scan and manual mode, and then select 3, 4, as many as you need, common points between your two scans. So you'd click one there and one there, and then as far apart as possible another pair of points, and then to resolve ambiguity a third pair of points, common points. You can actually continue doing that, but usually 3 is enough. You then choose best fit, and it makes its best guess at the fit. You inspect that fit, look at if it's enough, you can choose merge, and you're done. You create an extra scan which contains the two merged parts. So here we're going to merge two scans of the same object. You choose merge scan, and you choose to merge scans by targets, and you can set the number of common targets you want. You keep your original scan and choose align, and it has discovered, they turn red, 5 targets that are in common, which is enough to do an alignment. And you just choose accept, and it create and merge, and it creates the third scan which contains your finalized merged scan.